What's up, everybody? Andrew with NQS Performance Outdoors here. Just wanted to check in. I know I haven't given you guys any fresh fishing content lately, mostly because my ice season is off to a horrendous start. I haven't been able to ice any fish worth documenting to this point in the season. Hopefully we can get that turned around and get you guys a fresh ice fishing video in the next couple of days. But one thing I do want to address today is the hot topic of cordless drills attached to hand augers for the purposes of drilling holes in the ice for ice fishing. I spend some time on some of the various ice fishing forums. The general consensus on those forums seems to be that the drill of choice is a Milwaukee Fuel M18 brushless hammer drill with a 5 or 9 amp hour battery attached to it. I don't know if it's the best. I'm new to this whole cordless drill thing, but we're going to put it to the test a little bit today. I will be running a Rigid Gen5x brushless hammer drill. I picked that drill up at Home Depot for roughly $150. It came with a carrying case and 2 batteries. Those batteries, however, are only 2 amp hours each, far short of the 5 or 9 amp hour batteries most people are recommending. What I'm going to do today is take this setup out on the ice. I have it attached to a clam plate with a 7-inch Strikemaster hand auger with new blades. I'll give you a quick look at the setup. You will notice that my Strikemaster auger is old. I've had this thing for years. The paint is flaking off it. It still cuts well, and like I said, it has brand new blades on it, so it should be a fair test today. I'll give you a quick look at it, and then the next time you see me, we'll be out on the ice cutting a bunch of holes, hopefully. So here's a quick peek. Got the Rigid Gen5x brushless drill set up into the clam plate, and an older Strikemaster hand auger. As you can see, the paint on it is in rough shape, but the blades are new. I feel confident that it's going to give us a fair test. With that said, see you guys on the ice. 12 inches. dead. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. She did. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay everybody, here I am back at the house. As you saw in the video, after the 11th hole, the drill went completely unresponsive. I'm hoping I didn't burn up the drill. I'm going to hook up the backup battery just to make sure. And we definitely have power, so the battery was just dead after 11 holes, 12 inches of ice. That's 132 total inches of ice drilled on a 2 amp hour battery. Bottom line is, the Rigid drill is going to get the job done for you. You may want to consider going to a 4 or 5 amp hour battery with it. But if you have the 2 that come with it, you're going to get about 20 holes in a foot of ice. Rigid drill will get it done for you. It's up to you if you want to go out and spend the $300 on the Milwaukee M18 fuel hammer drill. But that's what I got for you guys. Rigid drill got it done today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.